Okay, yo, this whole time I've been here, I'm like, where are the birds? Where are the birds? I haven't seen any birds, just a few pigeons. Listen. It's a tropical rainforest. What are those? They're having a freaking party in the trees. It is 1:30 a.m. And these things are having the time of their life. They're nocturnal birds in Granada. Today I woke up for just a moment from my dream of Granada because it was not so much like paradise today. As you can see, I stepped in some cement, but this is not the worst part. Are you ready? Look what happened to my other shoe. Oh my God. It is completely covered. Do I throw this away? Can I still use, what do I do with this shoe? What do I do with this shoe? Yo, your comments in my DMs have been hilarious. Thank you for your concern. I think because it was not concern, it was more like you were laughing at my pain, which is fine. But it wasn't dry, so I was able to just rinse the cement off with water. So Granada is still paradise because, I mean, I don't really care about these shoes. They're just like my old beat up walking kids, but it's nice that they were not completely ruined. Yay. When the American companies moved to Spain, I support them. Yes. Got my water pitcher and my multivitamins because I just can't get enough energy. These are the funny little things I love about Europe. Look at how long this Brita picture manual is because of all the languages it has on it. I was just having this conversation with my sister, like, do they have pumpkin spice here? Where's the pumpkin spice? Gotta go to Starbucks. Pumpkin spice! This latte costs the price of an entire breakfast in Spain, but I did it for the pumpkin spice, and I cannot wait to drink it. It's Allison with 2 L's, but hey, no problem. And so it begins. I think this is so hilarious. How I'm like, I want to go for a leisure walk, and it always ends up being uphill. Whew. But I be getting my workout in. As I've been in Granada long enough to see these trees change, I learned that they are in fact oranges and not limes, as I once thought that they were. Whatever, they're still beautiful at any stage. It never fails. Here we go again. It never fails. Here we go again. I've gone up 3 steps. Why? Okay, I need a map that tells me elevations. Like, this is gonna be up a hill because Apple Maps does not do that. Does Google Maps do that? I mean, I would have worn different shoes. That's all I'm saying. But I'm here for the journey. Let's go. Fun facts about Allison 101. Palm trees are my favorite tree in all the universe. The whole universe. I am in heaven, 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 heaven right now. I interrupt this broadcast to bring you a very important message. Pear-Shaped Fitness now has journals and notebooks on Amazon.com. A journal where you can track your food, your workouts, plan your meals for the week, plan your workouts, jot down your favorite recipe, keep track of your weight and measurements, and write down how you're feeling throughout your journey all in one place with the daily food and fitness log and the food and fitness tracker. I have also developed a self-care journal to help you stress less and become your best self, because health and fitness begins with good mental health. In each section, you will find prompts to write about how you are now and prompts to help you visualize your ideal future self. The journal is also filled with blank pages so you can write about whatever is on your mind at the time. You can find these journals and more at the Pear-Shaped Fitness store on Amazon.com, linked in the description below. There's a peacock. I wonder if I can get close enough to it without scaring it or disturbing it. It's probably used to people. Do you see it? Okay, I'm really close now. Yeah, it's doesn't mind people. Can we see your feathers? No? Can we see your feathers? Wow. Don't mind me, continue. Can we see your feathers? May I see your feathers, please? Look how close I am to this thing, yo. Excuse me. Permiso. ¿Hablas español o inglés? Can I see your feathers? All right, fine. Keep pecking your butt. I just met these 3 lovely ladies and we're already attached at the hip. We have one more here.
De Alfonso XII. el rey de España.
María de las Mercedes, la rosa más delicada, porque te vas de mis redes, María de las Mercedes. Muy bonita.
Muy bonita.
¿Qué hacemos? ¿Nos vamos para abajo?
Vamos por calle, si hay patos, que parece que se mueve en la sombra de la Merced. En Málaga hay una plaza de la Merced. Ay, no. Pues entonces que no veo muy bien.
Aquí huele mal.
Aquí esto está como un fialado.
Vámonos.
Vámonos por aquí.